Okay, so we done with that. Yeah, this is real interesting cook, fresh off work, and wanted to fry some chicken. So this is the thighs that took the bone out, took the skin off. I'm gonna fry those up in another video, and I use a Filipino style breading from the Philippines, Big Crunch from Golden Fiesta. It is from Taguig City. Shout out to Taguig City for making this. This is really good. When I first put it on, it got real sticky, and I thought I messed it up. And I'm like, my chicken was dry and all that. So if you use this and you know this is getting sticky, it's okay, because this is what it comes out to. Now, what I really wanted to try it with is this smoked vinegar that I got from Seafood City as well. And yeah, I got the breading from Island Pacific. And then we went on ahead and went to Seafood City. And I saw this vinegar. And as you can see, the color of it is made with fermented extracts of coconut, sugarcane, and palm fruit. Yeah. So let's see what this is all about on this chicken. And the chicken got a nice little sweet taste to it because of the batter. I guess it got sugar in it, you know. So let's try this. That is amazing. All right. Be sure to like this video. Follow me on Instagram, NotAllSmoke78. Subscribe to me on YouTube. In the Smoke with Keenan. This is so good. On TikTok, Not All Smoke. My handle on YouTube is Not All Smoke. So it's all related to your boy. Y'all be cool out there. One.